Friday Science Fun Fact this week is about how just 5 genetic mutations stand between us and an avian influenza pandemic that would put COVID-19 to shame. It all started with the 1918 influenza, which was an H1N1, and now we call H1N1 swine flu, but humans actually gave H1N1 to pigs in the first place. Prior to 1918, several books that surveyed the diseases known in pigs did not make any mention of any illnesses that had symptoms that were equivalent to influenza. Those types of symptoms were first noted in pigs in the fall of 1918, which was during the deadly fall wave of that pandemic. We now know that the 1918 influenza was an avian influenza that jumped directly from birds into humans, and it had 2 new abilities that allowed it to replicate and to spread. Up to 50 times faster than other influenzas at the time, which is how it covered the whole planet in the space of a few months. Avian influenza viruses generally can only be caught from birds and aren't airborne person to person because the avian influenza is not able to release itself efficiently into the respiratory droplets that you cough and then sneeze out, which is what spreads the virus. There have been studies, though, that show that avian influenza needs as few as 5 mutations in order to become airborne between person to person, and that this can be achieved in as few as 10 viral generations. Considering the devastation that it caused to the world when this happened the first time, we really need to be prepared with vaccines and drugs and treatments in order to prevent this from happening again. More importantly than vaccines, though, is a sense of the public duty to be considerate of others and their health. And I honestly don't know if that is something that we can achieve while this whole culture of you don't know anyone anything is out in full force. So good luck, everyone, I guess.